Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a slime review on these 3 slimes, and I hope you enjoy. Up first, we have a slime I call Mint Madness because of the light green color, very pastel, but you can't really tell it's light green because, well, I was doing it when the sun was out. I should have done it later, but it looks white on the camera. And I also, for this slime, use a special ingredient that is not clay, but this slime is super fluffy. It's clay based, and I could play with it all day. It's just that satisfying. I love it so much, and yeah. When I hold it up to the camera, you can kind of see it's green, but not all the way, so. So the next slime I have, I called Crazy Cheddar because the color is like a very deep yellow, almost like mustard, but that's not a very appealing name. Anyway, this slime was very buttery too, and it also has my secret ingredient in it too. So yeah, I really like this slime, just like the green one, except it has, well, a different kind of feeling to it, but it's like basically the same. And once again, the lighting ruined the color of it, except for the last one because that one was very deep and opaque. So yeah, by the way, this slime was on the smaller side, so I zoomed in on my camera. So the last slime I have, I called Bursting Bubblegum because it had flumbies in it. It was very crunchy, very satisfying, and was pink. I like the alliteration. Anyway, the lighting still kind of took away the color of it. I'm gonna get a better place with better lighting next time I film one of these. Anyway, so this slime, it was like a medium sized. Kind of the same size as the green one because that one, it could fit in the palm of my hand. It was pretty big. Anyway, I like this slime a lot. Very crunchy, kind of sticky, but I really like sticky slimes, so yeah. So, bye guys, see you next week with another slime video, and I'll do 3 bigger slimes next time, really big slimes, and remember, it's always a good time for slime. Peace.